Hey guys, Ashraf here, and I just wanted to make a quick video on my take on freelancing. Now, freelancing is a big bad world and it's full of opportunity, and a lot of us know this by now, because this has been around for a very long time. After all, the way I look at freelancing is it's just like working a job but doing it online, doing it at your own will, inside your own home, whether it's your office or your friend's house. You can literally freelance from anywhere, and the best thing about freelancing is you can freelance anything. Okay, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of different in-demand services that people are looking for right now, that you can start freelancing as soon as today with little to zero previous experience. And so that's why, to me, freelancing is beautiful, because I was in the same position as many people are when they come online just a few years back. Okay, I started off online in 2013 and I started off in network marketing, and this for me went okay for the first year or two. It was pretty decent until all the companies I was working with just started getting shut down left, right and center for no reason. Well, the reason was obviously that they actually offered no real value, and all they taught was how to sell their own program. Okay, so eventually all these companies, they had to shut down, and so my business came crashing down overnight. So all I had to me was a bit of experience on how to acquire customers, create simple web pages, squeeze pages and acquire leads, etc. And with this knowledge, I took myself over to Upwork, and I was able to land myself one client. And this one client, over the space of about 6 months, absolutely changed my life, changed my work ethic, it changed my desires, my goals, and everything that I had wanted from this business. It changed for me. And so that's why I always make posts and I talk about how one client can literally change your life. And so with freelancing, to get this one client, when you think that there's over 7 billion people in this world, and let's disregard that for a moment, to think there's literally hundreds of millions of different businesses online right now, and then we even disregard that, we go into the specifics that just this one freelancing platform, Upwork, has over 75,000 clients. Okay, 75,000 clients with a verified payment method. So these are people that have money in their hands right now, okay, that are looking for freelancers to fulfill their jobs and their requirements right now today. To think that just this one platform has over 75,000 people sitting there right now with money in their hands, verified, there's no doubt that these people are not ready to hire. When you look at it like that, how hard is it really to just stand out to one person? Okay, one person with a decent budget, with a decent vision. And that's all freelancing is. We focus on the minority. We're not trying to appeal to everyone. We're not trying to get everybody's business. We're not trying to master every single skill that is online. We're not trying to freelance every single service that is online. Instead, we're just trying to master, okay, one or two skills on one or two services max. That doesn't mean that down the line, when you gain clients, you're only going to sell them these two services. It means that you are going to position yourself as a specialist within this specific industry, and that is how you're going to appeal to that single person, to that minority that is going to change your life. It's better to be a big fish in a small pond than it is to be a small fish in a big pond. Now it sounds pretty crazy, it sounds pretty, what the hell are you saying? And this whole ideology makes a lot more sense, because the goal is to stand out within a specific market, within a specific niche, as ultimately that is how we will stand out and attract that minority that's going to hire us right off the bat, regardless of our experience, regardless of our results, simply because we resonated with them, we understood their vision, and we have the solution this minority market has been looking for.